Hi, today we've been rebuilding this little T500 engine. What happened was the customer had the engine rebuilt and it wouldn't run. It was seriously difficult to kick over. When it was running, it was blowing out the head gasket. I found lots of problems with the original rebuild. We didn't build it. I'll show you some of the parts I found. Right, on stripping the engine, the drive side conrod was very, very tight. What we found was, I don't know if you can see this, it had picked up on the shells. The engine was really dry inside, as if it was getting no oil. But it's got a new oil pump, everything's there. Then I found this. This is the oil pressure release valve. The spring's missing. If you look at that, that's that part. There's that part. And that part. No spring. So that would mean we had no oil getting around the engine, or if we did get any, it was very slight. So that was probably the main cause of all the trouble. I've had the head skinned. It was seriously bowed in the middle. Normally what happens is, the reason for this is when people assemble the engine, these two bolts here go down through the rockers, and you've got these two. So what they do, they put the head on, tighten these down, then put the rockers on. Big mistake, you bow the head, and I think that's what's happened there. The engine is turning over lovely now. Look at that. So that should be all right. I do have another problem with the gearbox, hence that's probably why it had no oil in it. This is it. Somebody has used an M8 bolt in there and it was glued in. I might have to make a special bolt for that, but we'll see about that. I'll get that done, and hopefully I can get it back in the engine. I'm waiting for a new oil pressure release valve. That might be here by the end of the week. I'll get that and get it all back in the bike, and you can see it fire up.